Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers. So before we get into this week analysis through Elliott waves of our Nifty stocks and Bank Nifty, so this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an education purpose only, not for financial investment, and I am teaching how to analyze the stock market and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliott trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through comments in my post about Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day, and I won't trade according to fundamental and sentimental. I will trade it with 100% technical only, what I learned from the books, video clips, and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who are losing still and lost the money because they're treating this business like a gambling. I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trading according to my trade plans explaining here. So just we will see our watch list. So these are all the watch lists from the last week. I think this is the third video. So Titan, Grasim, Reliance, Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance, Sun TV, JSW Steel, Lupin, Sun Pharma, SBI, ICICI, Axis, DCB, RBL, and we will add the Nifty and Bank Nifty. And apart from that, last week we added nearly 20 to 25 shares, I think so. So first we will look a glance of this, and I will change this watch list, and then I will extend that to 25 shares. So I have nearly added still up to I think 11 pairs I added. So nearly 25 shares I need to explain you this week. So this is the old one. So this is just from the first itself we are watching this watch list. So watching these pairs. So let's move on to first Nifty. So if you are a newcomer to my channel, so first of all I need to explain you. So I just labeling it as a correction part only. It's not an impulsive. Correction part means this is looking like a correction of all three waves only. It's not five waves. Actually it will start from the 1 2 3 4 5. Then after that it folded into three waves, A, B and C. So this is the connecting wave. So here A, B, C is A, and again B, again C. So for this everything becomes A is contents of 5, B is contents of 3, and this A is also contents of 3, because it's A, B and C. So this is called as maybe a zigzag, and this is the A and B and C. So it's ended up, and this is the connecting part of the continuation of the trend. So this X is a triangle. So A, after that Y is also contains of Y is contents of A, B, C. So that is A, B and C is ended. So after that it's a corona drop of three-way structure here. This is not a five-way structure, this is a three-way structure. So whether this is a Y is ended here and this is the X, or that X could be an irregular flat, or it could be a bigger triangle. So that we will see later. From here to here now we are in that it's look like five ways also, and sometimes it looks like a three-way structure also. So if we switch into the daily time frame, remember that this is the end of the Y. So this is the A, B and C. So this is a three-way structure. Here is the ended. After that this is a five-way structure here, the intermediate wave. So whether we can, because we didn't know whether it is a continuation trend or not, so that is why I have labeled at the A, and then after that 3 is the finished of B, and then the C wave is continuous here as an ending diagonal triangle for me. So whether this is A, B, C is the ending diagonal triangle means we will nearly, at least minimum is 38.2, so around 10,200 to 9,600 I'm expecting for that from here to the drop. Or the next one is whether if it is on wave 1, so wave 2, so the diagonal triangle can be occur on the third also. So if it is the end of the third wave, we are in that fourth wave. So that is why I have already mentioned as a question mark whether the 4 is ahead or whether this is the A, B, C is ended with the A or W. So if it is the trend is ended, we can't say whether it is ended or not. That is why I have marked as a question mark, because if it is again make and it will go to that around 12,200, so that the whole thing becomes 5-way structure. So I marked it as a 4, it's a question mark. If it didn't go means that will be an around, it's a bigger correction that can happen here. So let's move on to that smaller time frame of 4 hours. So 4 hours also it's not looking like, and I will explain you in that 1 hour chart. So after that rejection, exactly what I expected at nearly 830 to 850, and because of that China and border issues, and then the GDP, India's GDP that was released on that day, so immediately it dropped around 500 pips. Sorry, 500 points. So this is A, and here is an, it's looking like an irregular flat for me. So that ABC is A, ABC B, and ABC C. So the total is B. After that also this is a 5-way structure ended here. So one simple correction has ended. So that could be a end of the fourth also, or that fourth way may not ended, or maybe. So if we took it as a bullish, it can go from here for the fifth wave, or else it is in third wave, and if it is fourth way is ahead in the triangle or irregular flat like that kind of formation, we need another 3-way structure. So that 3-way structure on Monday or Wednesday, up to Wednesday, it could be a correction, and then again after it will rise for that to continuation of the trend. So what I'm looking here on the up to Wednesday, it's a little bit correction, or it can go up to here and then it can make a correction also, but I need a correction. This is the, it's looking like a 5 ways is ended in the 15 minutes, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So I'm looking for the correction, and then again it can rise, so up to 11,680. so that comes up according to that fifth retracement level nearly to 786. So that is what I am expecting, because if it is an irregular flat, because the fourth way is not ended and still it is in that irregular flat or a regular flat or a triangle, it has to get rejected from here. But the triangle, if it happens, means it can go above this also, and then again it can do like this 3-way structure, and then that will be considered as a running flat, running triangle. So lot can happen here, but what will be in the next week can happen. So next week I'm expecting a little bit correction, and then again it has to reach that 11,600 to 11,700. that is my next week. So then I will keep on updating in my Telegram channel, then you can follow me there for that updated charts. So next we will move on to Titan. Bank Nifty, we will see whether the bank stocks, we are looking for the bank stocks, then we will continue for the Bank Nifty. And Titan, so Titan is also, I'm just searching for the entry, because I missed here that I explained that last week itself, and I'm looking for that entry, but I'm not getting any entry zone. So I think now I had catch that wave formation. It's looking like a diagonal triangle, so each way got a 3 waves. I already explained that. So here it's A, B, C, whether it is a and this thing is a B, and C is an ending diagonal triangle like that Nifty I explained, right? Each and every wave got on 3 waves. So here is a 1 2, so A, B, C is a W, and this is an X is in a running flat. A, B, C is a 3 is completed. Now I'm looking for the 1120 for the end of the fourth wave. If it drops here, that may be a fourth wave, or this could be a fourth wave and it can shoot from here itself. It's not necessary to drop here, but if it drops and then again there will be an up to 1225, and that is the end of this W. So the whole thing becomes end, the trend. But one more option is alternative is the whole thing becomes, because see I am looking for, this is the fourth way, end of the fourth way. First we need to look for that positional. I will explain you. So this is the end of the third and we are on the fourth way. Whether the fourth way is completed in a very simple, or it could be converted into be a regular flat or a irregular flat, more complex correction can happen. Otherwise if it is a triangle also, that is a chances for that also. That is why I started with A. So my expectation is for this week up to 1120, and then again rise, or it can go up to 1300 like that, 1225 like that, and then it may drop. So in that cases I think the channel is also supporting well this wedge formation. So that is why I had mentioned that zone 1125, and then again rise. So if you are in need to enter here, you can enter here and then making the stop loss of 1085. So this is the stop loss for this entry, because it's almost we are coming to an end. That is why I'm not I'm not going to trade this from here zone, because if it is an W means again X has to come to reach this 1020 or at least 1001, again the same zone it has to reach where I expected here. This zone, next thing it will happen. So here it is, I am not going to trade, otherwise I will wait for this zone, and then again I will continue for that 1300 to 1250 zone. So nearly 125 points. That is why I am not much concentrated in here, because I didn't we bought it here and then we exited here because of expecting the another bigger correction. That is what. So whether if it is an this is a ABC1 and ABC2 means after that here it could be a smaller also. So mind that. That is why I have mentioned that. And if you are new to watching and following me, it's a little bit difficult from the starting, and then again you can understand what I'm trying to say. And that is why I'm making a video also, because a lot of messaging me in the personal, I'm not catching you what I'm trying to say. That is why I'm making a video also. So in that video I'm explaining that. But this is not a trade signal, just I'm giving it for educational purposes only, and how I'm trading and how my views or how I'm investing. That is the main thing. So I nearly from the 2 months only I'm just start to watch and just investing in that. Previous I'm a forex trader also, and now also I'm doing that forex and commodities. So I just started for that Indian followers and the Indian market, and I need to be an investor in the Indian market also. So it's very crazy about this, and just I fall in love with that Indian markets, that behaving of the Indian characters and the structures are very easy to invest. It's not like forex. Forex is very tough, and I'm little bit expecting that complex correction. It is not happening here. It's a very simple corrections happening, and then it can shooting. Like that Tata Motors, I have booked the profit, and Wipro also last week, day before, in the Friday, yesterday only I booked the profit and I exited my position. So it's going good. It's a very excellent market. So let's move on to next is Grasim. So Grasim also I again entered, and last week also I exited here, and then again I catch that wave formation, what kind of wave formation is doing. So everything here I'm just explaining how I'm trading with the Elliott wave theory and how I'm investing. It's not a trading, how I'm investing. Everything will be for me it's a swing trade only. Swing trade and investing only for purpose. My target can achieve in one day also, or it cannot be also. So up to the target I have to wait for that. So this is an Grasim. So I think I explained this. Everything it is in diagonal formation only, because after the corona drop everything rose in all three-way structures only, and it's already down, and from here this creating a base. It started with the three waves only. So everything it's looking like a diagonal triangle pattern only, or it could be a leading diagonal triangle also. So once that 5 waves got ended, it's called as a diagonal, leading diagonal triangle. You mind that? So in the diagonal if it is a leading diagonal, that will be 5 3 5 and the 3 5. But in the leading diagonal triangle means each and every wave is all considered of ABC1, ABC2, ABC3, like that it will be there, and the third wave is extended, so that is why we have mentioned as a WX, and that Y also an diagonal triangle. That is why it's very tough to catch that wave formation for me here. So now I think I catch that characters of that market here. All the market is doing the same, JSW and Lupin. I think so. It's not Lupin, sorry. And a lot of things I will explain you in that. So just keep on watching that. So for me, yeah, I will explain you here what I'm expecting. So that ABC1 is completed, ABC2 is also completed, and we are the third wave. So the third wave is consistent of around ABC, means that third wave is the very bigger wave in Elliott waves. So here, if it is in 3 wave structure, we have to label it as A, B, C as a W, because it's a connecting wave and then it is a continuation trend. So this we are making as a W, and then again X for that continuation. This is a connecting wave for the continuation trend, and that I expected 1 2 3 4 5. After that I need a 3-way structure, because I'm looking for 1 2 3 4 5 means as a, and B I am looking for the downside, but it is not coming. And last week also I exited in the 700 zone and again it shooted, and then again keep on waiting for here, but I missed that entry, and then immediately I bought it here. And again right now it is in that because I entered only in the splitted entries only. It's not, I'm not entered fully, just a partial I have entered, because I'm waiting for this as to end. The structure has to complete here. Whether this high is not yet broken, if it failed, if it fell means it can break this low. So the next low I will be again added my position, because what I added at 705 I can add again at 665. So I think yeah, I entered at 710, and then again I partially only I entered. So on the next partial enter is below this 663. So if it is not coming to the downside, it can make a irregular flat also. That is why I have explained here. It can make a irregular flat in the B wave, and then again it can shoot. So here each and every wave got an Y wave also. It's a diagonal triangle formation. So 1 2. So this is a A, this is a B, and C as a W, and this is the connecting of X. So this is the 5-way structure as a A, and here is a 3-way structure, and now right now it is looking like a 3-way structure. Whether it is converted into a 5-way structure or it can remain a 3-way structure, and it can fall in the 5-way structure to 660, and then it can shoot. So if it comes to the downside, that will become A, B, and then C can shoot for that third wave to end, because the third wave is not the bigger third wave. This is the intermediate wave third, and then again fourth and again fifth. So the total third wave may end at approximately level at 830. After that again the 3-way contains, and again it's a 4-way. So it's a long, we can enter a lot of entries we can enter as per this. So let's see. And after that it's a Reliance. So Reliance also, what I said, it's a consolidation. It will take a time, and it's already did, and again it shooted. So in that also, this is also a diagonal triangle pattern. So A, B, C is a 1, again 2, and here also ABC1, ABC2, ABC is a W, X, A, B, C is a 3, ABC4, A, B, and C is 5. So again it can make up to 2400 also, because it's the intermediate wave in the 15 minutes. It's looking like it's not yet completed. Here is a 1 2 3 4 5. So maybe 1 2 3. So we are in the fourth wave. After that intermediate wave, it's a triangle, I think so, in the fourth wave. It's looking like that. After that, it can shoot up to the 2380 or 2370, or it can be a 24 also. So after that, I won't trade here. After that, I am expecting a fall for the bigger fourth wave. I will switch to the 1 hour. Yeah, here is the end of the, I think this is not the 4. I will exit, I will delete that. Here is that fourth wave, what I am expecting here. So whether if it comes to in this zone, what I am expecting around the again 2000, after that 2400 or 2370, nearly 370 points, then I can accumulate here, because that last fourth wave is also here, the intermediate wave 4. So it can, that next bigger fourth wave can also end here, and the channel support, and this is the median lines, that is also taking support here. So let's see, this is a Reliance I'm expecting. So anyway, this may be a 2400, and then again I need a drop. So let's 1 second, we will watch this. Yeah, Reliance and Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, I have explained that I have already exited at a 150 at average of, and then again I'm expecting to 120 levels. So it's doing, it's already dropped. So how it is moving here is, it's looking like A, B, C, and again there is an W, this is a AX, again A, B, C. So we can make it as an, it's all moving in the 3 ways only, everything. Just now I explained to you, right? In the Nifty, Reliance also did the same thing, Titan, Grasim, it's everything the same formations. So this could be an W, X is ended. Maybe you can make it as an A, B, C, A, B, and C means we need a 5-way structure, but it's completed only 3 ways. That is why I have mentioned as a W, X, A, B, C. So this could be a bigger W, and then again X as a connecting way for the continuation trend to the upper side. So that will come up to, I think so, 120, 120 zone I'm expecting. Or if it reaching this trend line here, the 120, or this is the 125 zone, and this is the bearish trend line also. Again, I think it may retest it once again. Here there is no retested, it's already broke. Here it's a retested, and then again there is a rejection in the 3 ways, and then again it's a shooter to the 5-way structure. So it may retest once again this zone. It's nearly 122 or 125. You just be alert, because it's the major support zone also now. Here and here it's bounced, so again it can retest it. So maybe again bounce from here, or it can make a bigger deeper correction. So that we come to know at that time only. So right now I am expecting this wave only for this week. And if you are switched to the 15 minutes, so I won't trade in the 15 minutes, just I keep on watching the wave formation only. Because I come to know it's the entry point is 120, just I'm looking only for this numbers only. It's not a chart. In the watch list, I just keep on watching that. So now what I'm expecting here is it may go up to like this of 150 again. For the flat correction, the A, B, C, okay. Okay, anyway, it's looking like a flat correction. So whether it is ended and one more flat correction has to happen. After that, I need a bigger drop. So simple correction can end here. So that we change to the red. So once it reached here at the 125 zone, then I will start to accumulate only the partial. Because I need to see whether it is in complex, it's making complex correction, or it can shoot from here itself. That we come to know here. And that bounce. Once if it is making the 5-way structure, and then the next pullback on the 3-way structure, I can accumulate here also. So that we have to watch, and then we have to enter. So next is Yeah, Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance also, I told that already 5 years is over and we are in the correction. Same thing is happening. I didn't done anything. Just I'm looking for this zone outside 2800. So here it can make a complex correction. So we unnecessarily we don't want to enter here for looking for the trade. So lot of pairs is on a lot of opportunity. Just keep on searching that and you have to enter and you have to invest at that. Leave this alone because we know whether the 5-way structure has happened. So minimum the 3-way structure has to end at nearly 2800. Just keep on watching that. Still 700 points to move to the downside. Then only we have to watch this pair. Don't want to watch in the 15 minutes here and labeling this 1 2 3 ABC like that. Don't want to that because if you're an investor, real investor, just looking for that wave formation. This is the 5 waves, just an accumulation at the 50 or 38.2 according to the Fib retracement level. That's it. It's very simple to trade as an investor. If you are a trader, then it is a very tough to trade the daily basis. If you switch to the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, everything, lot of tensions, and you have to watch only on concentration only in the one pair. If you are a swing trade, we have lot of pairs to invest to make a money. So this is a 38.2 retracement zone, 250 retracement zone. So you can accumulate partially here if it is getting a 3-way structure or if it is a bounce back in a, as a bullish, then you can find. You can accumulate here also. Just average in the profit, don't average in the loss. But if you know the destination, you can average that. Whether if it is coming to the 3-way structure, we know it's a very just one simple correction as standard. You can accumulate here the 50 partial and how it is going, like it's very aggressive or it is again that overlapping waves. You know very well about, if you are an Elliott trader, how the wave formation is happening here. So then you can enter partially and then again you can accumulate after the breaking the high. Otherwise, if it is again making a 3-way structure, you just exit your 25% here, what you accumulated here, and wait for the next correction to the downside, and then again you can accumulate the next 25% only. Don't add fully here, because once you accumulated here, if it is going to the your side, and if it is an aggressive, you can accumulate here after the B, after the breaking of the B wave, or whether if it is an overlapping and it's looking like a correction, you can exit your 25%, hold that 25% only. Again, if it is comes to the downturn, again 25% only you have to accumulate. Don't accumulate that 75% here. Once the confirmation, after that you can add the positions. Otherwise, after the breaking the high, you can add the positions. That is the safe trade to build that your money. So next we will watch that, I think, Sun TV. Yeah, Sun TV. So that is also for the investment purpose, already in that 430 range. I have explained that. Still it's holding. So I think I need to show you that positional. So if you want the positional, this is the positional count, and I have already shown you in that lot of times in my Telegram group also. You can just go through and scroll back everything, and then you can find everything, all the pairs. What we are watching is nearly 35 pairs. So everything the positional view have there. So this is my positional view, and we are in that bullish scenario. So wave 1 is completed. I didn't mark it as an A because it's already did a 78.6 and we marked it as a B. So that is why I have mentioned as a wave 1 and wave 2, and we are in the intermediate wave 3. So in that also the 5 waves is ended. So I have our Roman letter, it's 1. This is the intermediate wave 1, and here we make, I think it's looking like irregular flat happened in that wave 2. So again it can fall nearly to 450 to 440 level, and then again it can shoot from here to the third wave. So if it is shoot at the third wave, again that will be a very huge. So for this it has to accumulate here. the price will accumulate nearly 70% as the market is only in the correction, only the 30% of the market is in impulsive. So whether if you are a Elliott wave trader, you come to know the correction. If you are doing the correction, it's very talented, and you have very good in the correction to identify the correction pattern. It's a triangle, irregular, flat corrections like that. Then only you can catch that impulsive wave. So work hard for that correction pattern. Don't look it's immediate, okay, this is a correction, it's not going up, so we will move on to the next pair, means you will miss that impulsive wave. So in the correction part, you just keep on watching that, labeling that, but not in a lower time frame. I'm just suggested only for the 4 hours. Maybe around 1 hour to 4 hours, not in 15 minutes. If having a doubt whether it is a 3-way, 5-way, you can switch to the 15 minutes and 5 minutes also. But unnecessary, don't switch to that 15 minutes like that, 5 minutes. So we are not a scalper, right? We are an investor. So try to behave like an investor, and it's looking like a big player. Then only you can make money in this market. So wave 1, wave 2, and wave 1 is also that intermediate wave of 3rd. So 1 completed, 2 I am expecting as an irregular flat, and then 3rd has to shoot. So let's move on to the next pair. So JSW. So JSW also I have changed my view. I think I have already explained that in the last video. Here also I have to convert everything into 1 to 1 2, because in previous I thought it's a 1, it's a A, B and a C, and again this is the A, B and C. But here the Nifty and the whole that Jindal Steel, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Hindalco, everything, it's looking like still bullish only. So that is why I have to change this as a 1, 2, and again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So still we are in the 4th wave only. So one more high, but after that I will update my chart in my Telegram channel. You just go get through, because I didn't get ready for this. Just I will explain what I am thinking. So this 1, 2 also, again here also I need to keep as a 1 and 2. So I have to remove this triangle. So this triangle is also, it's not valid now if I change to 1 to 1 2 like that. After that what it will do is, this is also looking like a leading diagonal as a 1, I converted into 1. So 2, so this thing is a same thing, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for this 1, for this 2, and we need to make another high and then again drop for the 4th. So this 1, 2, we are in the 3rd wave, still we are in the 3rd wave only. So just I will update the chart in that next day after tomorrow like that, tomorrow maybe day after tomorrow like that, and then just keep on watching. But this is in still in every dip we have to buy only, because lot of 4th wave is coming ahead, because everything we made it as a 1 2 1 2 like that. So it's all everything, it will be confused only, but keep on moving to that overlapping labs, and but keep on moving. I think it may target, it's around a 350. I think it may reach 350, or I'm say it will reach to the 360 also in this zone. But keep on extending. That is little bit tough to identify, because everything, it's a 4th wave is ahead. So it will make a lot of irregular flats, it may make triangles, everything. So if I just update it, then you will be you can understand very clearly. So this also I have to modify everything. So now this 1 2 3 4 is 5 is over. So for this bigger 3 we are that, but it's not like that. Now here the 1 2, so 3rd, 4th and 5th. After that this 3 will come, and again after that this 3 will come. So like that it's keep on moving only. So let's move on to, I think, a Lupin. Yeah, Lupin. Next is Sun Pharma. So Lupin also, what I said is 1 2 3 4 and 5 is over, and I'm expecting the third wave to the downside. But sometimes I'm still having a doubt whether if it is a 1 2 3 4 and 5 is ended here, and another bigger 1 and bigger 2 and bigger 3 can start. It may be a bigger like that only, it can start also. But I'm still expecting the downside because of this bigger 1. If it is a bigger 1 is ended here, bigger 2 has a little bit, at least 38.2 retracement. So anyway, I'm expecting this 800 zone. That is why my bias. But I'm not too forced here, because in previous I thought it's like that only. And again there is an this is looking like an 5 ways, and this is also looking like a 5 ways. So this is the correction. So we stick into this 1 2 3 4 5, and exactly this is in which formation is nearly the 5 ways. So we'll stick to that, and we have to wait patience for this to reach this 800 zone or a 720 zone. So 800 zone is the 38.2 zone. Yes, exactly. 38.2 is the 825 zone. So that is the previous support zone, also the major support zone here. So you can, if it comes here, you can accumulate it, not unnecessarily here. We don't know how it is moving here. This is the correction part that we know. I'll just hide those things. Here it's A, B, C is already over. Again A, B, C is already over in that irregular flat of I think it's already extended or expanded flat or an irregular flat, anything. And I am expecting nearly to ABC to the downside in the coming week. Or if it is shooter, that could be an again extended only here. So but the 3 ways pullback is there. It's a bigger 3-way pullback. So up to 820 range. Here also same one. It's looking like a triangle formation here and dropped. So A, B, C. Here also A, B, C. Here also A, B, C. Yeah, exactly. The 3-way structure is ended, and again it can make a 3-way structure, and again it can make a 3-way structure up to this 1000 range, and again it may fall. So anything can happen. But my buying zone is 820 zone here. Then only I have to buy. And partial only, it's not in the higher zone. So let's move on to Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma also same thing. What I explained, that 5 waves is completed, and again we are in the correction part. So I will just so 1 2 3 4 as a triangle, 5 in the 5th way is also, it's a 5-way structure. So in that 5-way structure, 4th is a triangle and the 5th is got ended, and then immediately massive drop, nearly 560 to 505, nearly 10% drop. So now we come to know, right, it's at the correction part. So now I am expecting here in this week again little bit rise, and then it can come to this zone. So that is also our channel. It's there as a support channel, and again there is an for the resistance channel. So within this we have to trade, and if it is comes to the 470, you can enter as a partial and then wait for that wave formation here. Exactly I did what I did is it's doing there. See, that is what I didn't delete anything. I need to show you from here itself it can make a 3-way structure. It's doing that. Just keep patience, wait for that entry. So next, yeah, we'll move on to the bank stocks, but before that I need to show you that Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also I have changed my count. Previous I did as an A, B and C is ended here, but now it's looked like, and I have already shown you my rough label counting also. So 1 2 3 4 5 is ended as a 3, 4 is a triangle, and 5th way is also got ended. So once 1 2 3 4 5 as a leading diagonal here. So that leading diagonal may be a or 1. we can't know because it's a very too far to break the 32,500. So whether this is a wave 1 and wave 2 or B has to be there. Otherwise, if we are looking for the three-way structure, and again it may drop, or it could be a wave 1 and wave 2, and again wave 3 can go up above here also, above the 32,500 zone, the previous high 32,675. So that we can't know. That is why I have started with A, and then it is that B wave I'm expecting. So what I'm expected in the previous is I did as a W here, and I'm looking for that X wave. So that X wave also I have already mentioned that from here it's a three-way structure, and then again three-way structure, but it didn't happen up to here. I expected a 27,600 zone, but here itself the way has ended. I'll show you in the 15 minutes. Clearly seen, there is a B is a triangle, 1 2 3 4 is a triangle, and 5 is got ended. So anyway, that one simple correction got ended. So now it may reach up to 24,500 also, 24,500 or 24,000 zone. Again I am expecting, because once is the ABC this is not a five-way structure. This is looking like because this is a triangle happened. So if it is in five-way structure, there is only in the fourth way can have occurred, but here it's a intermediate wave. So this is a B wave. So C wave is also 1 2 3 and 4 5 got ended. So after that I am expecting a flat correction. Flat correction can happen up to 78.6 also. So again 24,500 I am expecting. So once it reached this as in 24,500 in a three-way structure or overlapping structure, we come to know whether this is still in the correction or it is bullish. So there is a chances for end also. I am not saying no, because it is in the channel only, still that is valid. So from here it can shoot also, but there is a lot of chances. It's a simple correction is got over. It may get a complicated also. This is a B, C is A is over, A, B, C and B, and C is a regular flat. Otherwise it can make it as in WXY correction also. So whether if it is in again it will make a three-way section, and again if it done a three-way section, that we have to label it as a W, X, A, B, C like this. So I'm expecting the 21,000 again, then only that is a full bullish. Apart from that, here it's a little bit doubt only. Or if it goes above this high of the previous high, then that will consider as an irregular flat. So then that time it won't break. Means only in the expanded flat only it has to break this low. Otherwise if it is a running flat, it can go up to this level 26,100 and then again fall, means it has to be supported this channel. So then that will be an A. So then B will come here, but I am expecting only here as a regular flat. It's not an my bias is only for the regular flat, not for the irregular flat. But this is a market; it can do anything. It's not about my intuition. So let's move on to the bank stocks. I think we will move on to SBI, ICICI, Axis, DCB, RBL. So SBI. One second. So in that SBI, this is that impulsive wave as marked as a A, and that B is then running flat, and C got completed. So once A, B, C is over, again I am expecting a, see exactly it already retested that previous support zone. There is no holy grail and there is nothing in there. It's a crystal ball, holy grail, it's nothing there. It's just a knowledge that previous resistance now it is acting as a support. So whether it is bounced from here to make a new high, or it will again folded in the three-way structure. Again it will rise to the three-way structure, and again there will be a like this kind of structure here. So that is the, if it breaks this channel or this support, again the next intermediate support, there is no intermediate support, so whether it has to take a support only in that 177 zone. So I already accumulated at 207 on I think on Wednesday or Thursday. Again I exactly bought at 195. Now I'm in break even, but it can shoot up to 218. So what I will do is, what I bought here, I will book that 218, and then that remaining the 207, or I can book this and I will keep this, and again if it come into the aggressive to the downside, then I will accumulate here or here. But I am sure about this because once ABC is over, it won't be this much simple. I think so. I just believe because I'm a forex trader, sometimes it will make a complex correction in forex, but here it's making only that regular. See, this is the correction, right? It's a very simple correction is happening here. Everything is a very simple correction, but this is making a complex correction. But sometimes in the connecting wave, it's looking very simple. I will show it in the another. So like that, this is could be a ABC1, ABC2, because I'm expecting the bank nifty also come to the 21,000. So now I'm expecting to that 23,000 or 24,000. What I expect. 1 second, I will forget that. 1 second. Yeah, bank nifty. Yeah, I'm expecting to that. Yeah, 24,000. Okay, 24,000. So that time SBI also. Yeah, that SBI also reached this 218, but in a three-way structure. But if it is too aggressive, then we have to wait for that pullback, and then again we have to buy. You mind that if it is in three-way structure, that will be a correction. If it is in five-way structure, so that will be an impulsive. So mind that, and you have to first of all you have to watch the wave formation. Then only you have to come to a conclusion whether we need to add in the pullback or it could be a downside also. So that is why I have mentioned there. If it is a W, this is a X, A, B, and C to that continuation of that trend, or else it can reach here for that connecting wave for the X wave. So let's move on to Axis. I am already having that Axis Bank at high level, that you know. That is why I have already in that 505 I already bought in the different pattern from the past week. Now I changed. Now this is looking like a, I already expected this zone, 380 zone, but it's very aggressive. It came without any pullback. So whether this could be a W means, if it is an X, this could be an A, and B has to happen. What that SBI has to happen, right? And the bank nifty. So that time this will reach up to that 490 zone, and then again it may fall. So if it is a three-way structure, and because if it reached from here itself, so that will become a five-way structure for C wave. So that is why after the wave formation only we can come to a conclusion whether this is a or B, sorry, A or W and B or X. So whether this is making a three-way structure, then we have to be strict to the W, X, A, B, C. So here also same W or A, and here also for this W, here we are expecting the X or B, because I took it as a running flat here, and then again it has to say, but the target zone is 650, that is sure. 635, but it will took the time. It will little bit correction can happen, and then again fall, and then again it can shoot. So same thing in ICIC also. I'm expecting around the 340 zone here. So that is also I expected from here it has to bounce and then it can drop, but it's already dropped, and again I am waiting for the three-way structure and then again drop. So there is nothing changed in this ICIC axis, and I already updated here. So same what I'm expecting is a W. So this is an X as a running flat because it's already broken that high. So now I'm expecting as an this thing as X. So WX. Okay, this is a W. So ABC is a X, ABC. Okay, here it is finished in the three-way structure. Now we are in the connecting wave. So connecting wave has to happen is at A, B and C. So this is already A, or it could be a W also, and then again X, A, B, C can. So again I am expecting the 330 level to 340 zone to accumulate more, because I already bought at in this zone at 409, I think so. Previous, yeah, we entered at 409. But that time it's a different pattern, and I looked for the different pattern, and then I entered here because I added the position at nearly 351 that I am having still. That is why I added in the profit. Again, what happened? The pattern is changed, but we know the destination. Wait for patiently and accumulate here. If it comes to here at the nearly to the 400, I will exit my 351 position. Then I will keep holding that 409. Then if it comes to here the 330, and then again I accumulate what I have booked here at this zone. Then we can book here or wait for that has to end at the A wave. So this is my view in ICICI axis. So next is the RBL, DZB. So DZB also exactly it get rejected in that zone what I have mentioned here, the previous bearish channel also, and I expected up to 89, but it give a correction at 82, but I am already having the position at 80. I didn't done anything here. I didn't exit my position at 95. I know whether it is in there will be a get rejection, but sometimes it won't be a rejection and it can keep on shooting also. So after that get rejection only we come to know, okay, there is a rejection. So here also it's did a three-way structure. See, A, B, C is A, B, C, B, again A, B, C, C. So whether this is the W, X, A, B, C is finished. So one simple correction has ended. So we can label it as a wave 2 because that is still valid. It didn't break this previous low also, that's 79. So it's still valid for, it can shoot from here also. A, B, C is A, B, C is a 1. So this is a 2, and it can shoot for the third wave. It can be like that also, or if it break this low, again that valid that may get invalid, that 1 and 2. What it will happen is A, B, C, X at W. Again we need to make it as an X. So X may reach again that 75 zone. It has to reach. Otherwise, if it there is a chances for from here itself, because it's already there. See, it's already finished the 5-way structure, and we are on the correction, and from here it can shoot. Or either way, if it is a 3-way structure also, up to 93 again it has to come. So let's move on to RBL. See, what I said is 3-way structure, it's already came, and again I added at 181.3. in this zone only I added. I didn't add here because in previous I didn't done that channel. So anyway, I have some little bit messed up, but I entered at 181.30. Still now I am expecting a to shoot. So DCB and RBL, my count is it has to shoot, because once the three-way structure is over, whether, see, I have an alternate count also, whether this is an A, B, C as a A and B may be a, you just forget about this triangle. Okay, so this A, B, C is a A, B, C is a B, and here also A, B, C, D, E, that intermediate B is a triangle and A, B, C is shooter. For this again A, B, C, so this B is maybe a running flat and then it can shoot from here also. So for that, the C-way means contains a 5-way structure, it can reach arms at around the 300 zone. This length can happen here. From here it's around 100. So 100 to 200 means around 100 points. So from 175 to 100 points means around 275. But 275 it's not a resistant. This is a resistant zone is around 300 zone only is the resistance. So mind that, that is why I have entered 181, because in previous I don't have any position here. I keep on watching that and I entered here once that 5 ways is done. Once that 5-way is done, I entered at 181, 181.3. So let's see whether it can come to this zone also, 177 or 176, and then it can shoot also. So I think I finished as per the watch list, and I'm having to explain you a lot of things apart from that. L&T, Raymond, and Mahanagar Gas Limited, ITC, Ashok Leyland. So that's we will move on to one by one. So first of all, now L&T we can watch. So L&T I have entered at 920 zone. Here I entered and I am having the position at 961. In this here I have exactly entered in the previous. I still having that position because I thought it may shoot from here itself, and the next day it's open, gap up, open, and it reached the 1000 level also, and then after that I trapped by the market, but still having, because I know this is a 5-way structure is got completed anywhere. If it is an A, B, C or W or X, whatever you can make it here. And I have already posted that in my Telegram channel for that positional view. Here I will show you that positional view. So here is a B and C is ended here, and after that there is a bigger A or W. A, B, C is also over. So now I am expecting a 1200 zone. So for that we have to switch to the 4 hours. So A, B, C is A, B, C is a B, and C is got completed. So I thought it's a W. Again X is a triangle. So A completed, and A, B, C, D, E, but it already broken that low. That is why I have removed my previous labelings. Now this becomes a B, C. So for this A, this is a B, and C is completed, and that 4-hour candlestick also, it's looking like a doji candle. It's a bullish, but it has to break this handle high. So if it is go above that 930, it may be converted into bullish also. So now it's A, B, C is a W, X, A, B, and C. That's the thing. So now it's a W. So A is finished, or it may a little bit deeper also, and B has to reach again 970. After that again there will be a drop. So that is why I have explained here. It can go above from here itself. If it is an A, this is a B and C, because we make it as a W, X, A. So whether if it is an irregular flat, this can shoot from here itself, or whether this is the end of the W, we may get a rejection for the X, and then it can continue for that bullish swing. Because I'm not thinking this is an A, this is a B, and C may get a three-way structure, because here it's a three-way structure clearly seen. This is not wave 1. So this is an irregular flat of B. So C dropped. Now we are on that bullish. That is why I have explained here. So whether this could be an continuation for that trend, or it may little bit drop and then again it can go for that bullish. So the next my adding position is, because I already did at 961 and 910, 915 something, so I no need to add, because whether we have to watch whether there is an aggressive movement or little bit overlapping like that. If it is a overlapping, I will exit my position. One position I will exit, because what I bought at 915, I will exit my position, and then again I am waiting for this drop. So nearly for that 800, 820 like that. Then it can shoot for that X wave. So anyway, I am looking for the 1200 zone. So Raymond, I think it is in coming very interesting zone. That is why I have keep on watching from that past week itself. My already posted that Raymond is in the fourth wave, and we are in the triangle. So triangle is getting now it's very near to that, and I'm expecting a drop for 160 zone. So that is a very nice buy zone there. See, this is an A, B, C, A, B, C, D, and we are in that E wave. I will just hide all those things, labelings. A, B, C, D, and a little bit up to 295. It's possible. After that, I'm expecting a huge drop, to massive drop to 160. So once it broke that 208 low, get ready for that. Don't be greedy to pick the low. Just keep on counting the wave, but it won't be seen like this. It can drop. You can't count the last fifth wave. There isn't 5 waves or 4 waves, whatever it is. So be ready for 160 zone to buy. I'm expecting it has to reach, because my technical, as per the technical, this is the A, B, and C, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is happening. The triangle can happen only in the fourth wave, but only if it breaks 208 I will buy. If it's keep on shooting, I won't buy, because that is not a clear view for me, because I'm expecting the fourth wave as a triangle and fifth wave has to drop. But if it shooted from here itself, so then I have to look all those things, because I'm not a great follower of this, because that is why I didn't done that positional wave count. It's looking like interestingly, that is why I have just keep on watching. This is a and B is an running flat. C got a 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is why. So just keep on watching that 160 levels. Is a very interesting level. The previous support zone. Just I will show you in the weekly. Yes. Previous support zone. Let's keep on watching, but minimum shares we can accumulate, because we didn't know whether, because of the Raymond, I'm just need an eye for this. Otherwise, I won't be a good investor in this. It's not an inside the Nifty. So let's see what it will do. But buy only minimum share. Not so aggressive, and don't put all eggs in the one basket. Diversify your, it's a Warren Buffett quote, right? So diversify your money. So whether until we know if it is in fourth wave or the fifth wave has to end, we didn't know whether how long the fifth wave will go. For example, the crude had dumped nearly to $0. Who knows which is the low? And who knows which is the high? Nobody knows. So be aware, you just keep on watching at 160 levels and then you can buy according to your money management. Diversify, don't put all the equities from here, whether if it is on bullish or bearish, whatever it is. So let's move on to Mahanagar. I just added on Friday, it's Thursday, I added my position here. This is also not inside the Nifty, and I didn't done any positional count also. Just from the part I am doing because it's for the short term investing. It's not a long term investing. I will explain that. That is why I'm not showing those things. But there is a lot of opportunity. Just I bought a minimum shares because the pattern shows, right, A, B, C is a W, or whether it's A, and A, B, C, and C is also 5, and I already we saw this, and I have mentioned that the CVA has to drop, and it is already dropped, and for that also intermediate waves also looking like very interestingly. 1 2 3 4 5 is ended, second, third, fourth is a triangle, and fifth also ended. So after seeing this, as an Elliott wave trader, you need to invest here, because once ABC A over and ABC B over, and then C or X Y wave has to happen above this high. Anyway, your money is guaranteed. Whether if it is in triangle, that will be tough. It won't break this, but at least minimum 1100 you can get, 1050. Now it's 900, so 150 points. So this wave is guaranteed, right? Otherwise, if it is any fundamental news came, this A, B and C may be extended for that fifth wave also. That you mind that is why I have mentioned that I am just bought only the minimum shares, because A, B, C contains of 5A means it can extend it also. So up to 960 it can go. After that it can be a bigger drop also, 3, 4 and 5. So nearest to this also it can come 720 also, but this is not a sure, right? And this is also not a sure. But anyway, we will expecting this is a major support zone. It's already dropped, and again we are expecting that ABC. But we have an alternate count also. That is why I have entered only the partial shares. I have partial again to here according to the wave formation here. Not simply and not blindly add my position, because it's all our money. We know that value of the money. That is why. And we will move on to ITC. So that also in major support zone, and I have already placed I have already in at 192. Now it's 180 it came, but I didn't add because it's very slow moving. Yes, this is the first time I'm just keep on watching this. It's a consumer products, that is why I have entered, but it's very slow moving what I am expecting. But once it started, I think so it can move aggressively. It's like Tata Motors. So here it's my wave count. It's ABCA, ABCB, C is 1 2 3 4 5 is gone. It's already completed. So this is a W, and again the X is getting completed, or it can make an again three-way structure and it can drop also. So anyway, from one simple correction has ended, and it took more time. It's nearly 29th June to June, July, August, September. It's now nearly 70 days. So from here to March to June, it's nearly May and June. It's nearly same 70 days. So it is getting ready to the upper side. Or if it is a very complex correction, it can do. If it is doing like this kind of messy overlapping, and then again there is a drop. So if it is drop means if that support is break means the next support zone is 155. There is no intermediate support here. So be ready for that, because I already entered. That is why I have not interested in this pair. Just I entered at 192. Let's see whether it is making to 240 as nearly 20%. The next resistance is 235. So I entered at 192. So if it is 235 means nearly 20%. It's enough. But I already entered a 192 at 24th August, I think so. From here itself I entered. Yeah, from the August. So nearly monthly 10% if it reached within the next month. So let's see. And Ashok Leyland. So Ashok Leyland also I have to show the positional count. So from here the 1 hour A is ended. A, B, C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is an expanded wedge formation. It's not a wedge, sorry. It's an expanded diagonal, ending diagonal. So here, from here, I'm looking, and I already entered at 72. Now it's 68, and it went to 64 also. I didn't add anything, because once our view is getting wrong, you no need to enter again and again to average. Wait for that path to clear, and then you have to find that pattern, and then you have to enter. For me it's simply it's A, B, C, whether it's a A and B, C as a 5-way structure, 1, 2, 3. So we are in the 4th wave. Exactly we will get up to 80. So this is all the short term what I have entered, because I entered at 72. So I am looking for 80 only, because these are all very slow moving pair, and I am expecting only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But from the next, if it is still bullish, this will convert as a 1, 2, and after here if it is reached 80, and if it is very bearish, or sorry, if it is in very consolidating like this in this resistance zone, again it can shoot from here. So these are all the long time pairs, because why I have entered at 72 means it's already over. It's a good company. Now it is in very low price range, and it already reached the 33. So now I am expecting, whether if it is a correction also 50% correction. So nearly it went 160 to 30. So nearly 130 means nearly 65 rupees, I think so, right? It's a 160, it's 30, 130. So nearly from here to 65 means 95 we may get here. So that will convert into, but whether this is an A or 1, this is a B or 2 means this will keep on shooting if it is a 3rd wave or C wave. Like that it happened, right? It's starting. Let's see how it moves. So after that IOC. Yeah, IOC also I entered at 81.3 on Friday itself. See, this is the 5-way movement. So 1 second, I will show you if I having, yeah, I'm having the positional count. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is ended. So previous, I think it is an ABC correction. Yeah, it's a A, B, C is a 3-way structures. Everything is a 3-way structures, and again it's a fall happen in the 3-way. It's a fell in the 3-way structure. So let's move on to the daily. So this drop here, it's a C-way structure. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's ended here. So we'll switch on to the daily. It's a 1 hour. So 1 hour is from the low. It's a 5-way structure. So whether we are in the correction or bullish, we can't know. So that is why AR1, and this is a A, and the intermediate A, B, C is a triangle here. B is a triangle. The intermediate wave is also the B. It's not this B. So A, B, C as an expanded flat. So this is a B, and C is also, see, this is the looking like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is also 5-way structure 1, this is also a 5-way structure 3, and this is also a 5-way structure for the 5. So this thing is a wedge formation and ending in the 5-way structure. So now I am expecting to the upper side. So immediately when I already mentioned that everything that support resistance zone, and I am very sure about this wave has to happen like this kind of wave formation here. Whether it will continue, because these are all government stocks, it will be very little bit slow moving only, but even though it will reach your target. So whether this is a wave, see, these are all stocks, or I am looking only for that, not for trading, for investment. It's a good investment stock, all in that lower range. So 1, 2 or A, B and C can continue up to 5 waves. Nearly I am expecting that up to 161.8. It's 120. We entered at nearly 50% return, but it will took time. So nearly around next October, November, yeah, from that I think so. If it is a November or December, within this year, in the 4 months, we'll get 50%. So monthly 10%, right? What you are investing here, because it's not blindly what I have invested. I have a rules and I know why I entered in the trade. So risk is up to me, but it's not entered blindly, right? I have a reason to enter the trade and I need to close the trade. Even also I know that a reason. Don't follow me blindly, because I know how to manage that my money with average in that lower levels also, and it will form the another pattern. Then I come to know what kind of pattern is doing, the structure, characters, everything. So you have to at least learn lot of things from the market, and I'm doing it as an Elliott way. So you have to if you are know the Elliott way, then you can follow me. How I'm follow me means it's not in trading, just for learning. So let's move on to Hindenburg. So that is also in diagonal triangle. It's same thing, it's moving in the channel itself, but it already broken the channel. So I already entered at 185, I think so, 183. Yeah, here I entered after the blaze broke. Yeah, 183 I entered. So still it's 178. Didn't know what kind of wave formation is happening here, because I'm just marked it as a 4th. So because A, B, C is a 1, so again A, B, C as a 2. So I'm not sure about this wave formation here, but anything, it is in the channel. Now it's broken. So whether we have to watch and then enter, because sometimes the 4th wave can be like this only. It can break this channel, and then it will bigger triangle can also happen. That is why I have mentioned that. Let's see, because I'm not come to a conclusion anything here. So I didn't done anything, because simply I just entered here, because I already did the 3rd and I'm just looking for the 4th, and it already did the same thing. That is why I didn't done any analysis here, the intermediate wave. Just simply entered at 183. Let's see what kind of wave formation here it's happening. So let's I will explain you here. It's a ABC is a 1. So A, B, and I think okay, I think A, B, C is a W, X, A, B, C. So I will update here. I think the 2 cannot be a triangle, but it's happening A, B, C. So anyway, I will update my chart in my Telegram. You can just go and watch there. Sorry for this wrong pair I have showed you. So next Wipro I have already booked the profit, and I entered at the 272, and then at the 295 we exited the position. because whether this is also same thing, I'm looking for the fourth wave. Here I will show you that. So it's here also wave A or 1, it's a 2 or B. So the intermediate wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is got ended. So after this I'm just keep on watching this. It's making a sluggy movement and very keep on overlapping and messy. I entered at 272 level. From here itself I keep on watching that, and then I entered because I exited my position, because if whether I'm not able to count this zone. I entered here at 272 and then again dropped, and again it is making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is a fifth wave, it will be very shallow only. It's because that fifth wave is valid if it crossed the third wave, right? And this is also the wave 1 is very small. So the wave 1 equals to wave 5. That is why I entered, and I don't know what kind of wave, whether it is in still we are in the fourth wave as a irregular flat and it can continue or it can drop. So anyway, if it is in fourth wave means again it has to break that high, then I will can buy, or I'll just keep on watching. Then again for the bigger correction I will be in entered here in the Wipro. So 1, 2, as per this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got ended. So now I am looking for that 3 ways correction. Major support zone is 230 to 40. So in the 3 way structure I will re-enter here. So next we will move on to Infosys. So Infosys also it's looking like, once again I just did done anything. Okay, I just I thought I have finished my work, but I didn't complete it. So let's see in that daily. Yeah, it's looking like a fourth wave, or whether it is a B, C is completed and we are in the downtrend, because it's already broken the high also. So whether this could be a fourth and we are in that fifth wave. So I will update here because I don't want to blindly, I no need to analyze for yourselves, for myself also. So I just added, or wrongly I think so, I thought I completed my analysis here. So I think we have finished more than the, it's a nearly 25 pairs, but the 2 pairs is wrong pairs. So it's a Hindalco and Infosys. Sorry for that. So next time we will see all those things with the proper analysis. So thanks for watching, and we will see that next week, that same watch list up to nearly 25 shares, 25 pairs, and have a nice great week and a profitable week. So thanks a lot. Have a nice day.